Good night, all. How you feeling? Well, boy, I just read something on Facebook that pissed me off. So I'm trying to understand what is the logic behind anything, right? I don't know if all you noticed, CNC3 put a post that Maxi Coffee is responding to something that Philip Edward Alexander said. Now, why they say I just get Jackie jacket and Jenny she jumpsuit. If all is saying that Maxi Coffee is alive, right? Which I have no problems with. Because the man is a member of parliament for La Oqueta Talparo. So if all is saying the man alive, I'm Raphael. If all is saying the man alive, send me a live video. I mean, with all this technology, that is the BS all they're putting out there. A post, anybody could type that. Anybody could type that. And how come nobody not concerned from the UNC? How come the UNC not concerned with the fact that they're not saying nothing about Maxi Coffee? A UNC diehard, yellow to belly, tell me the other day that Kamala and them good because the UNC better for governance because you know why? They just shine up all the corruption. Alright, 12,000 US a day going nowhere. And I'm still waiting for Kamala to say something about that. She getting her cut out. She know the people with the nursing home. Why it is the UNC not speaking up about that? What you're going on? Is that sort of distraction and noise? What you're going on again on the other side? You know Tobago to have a boat for the week? Carnival? Where we have a lot of tourists here, right? And for this week here in particular, after they fed up on Marshall Monday and Tuesday on the Rocks and Big Bad Soca Wednesday, Thursday and Friday they can go and breeze in Tobago and come back Saturday. That's how we don't maximize our tourism sector. But nobody cares. So I have a question for the PNMites. Where's Maxi Coffee? Why are we not finding out anything from him? And how come all is so comfortable with that? All the government working for, right? They're bringing us sort of fake boats. Boats that are not suitable for our region. Boats that are not working properly, right? And all they're happy with that, right? All they're happy with that level of corruption. And here what they do, they build a pool for it. A pool in the road. I don't want to build no pool for me. When I drive out my garage onto the road, I just meet a pool in the form of a pothole. From here to Port of Spain, I could drive through about 20,000 pools, better known as potholes. But don't worry, if you look in the word pothole, you'll find the word pool. So here what I say now, oh God, let's make sense out of nonsense now. Let's take in that. Or let's take in that seriously. You know the highway continues to be built? Or let's take in that seriously. Look my partner Derek, boy. Derek, in the word pothole, you'll find the word pool. We have problems with pothole and all the PNM doing is building pool. All the PNM doing is building pool for the people them. And they're taking that. They're taking that. Hear what they're saying? Put some grease. Put some grease. Or if you don't have no grease, you can take it raw. Up we backside. That is what we doing. All is not serious. The sea bridge between Trinidad and Tobago down and nobody is saying a word. Not a soul saying a word. I confused. I can't understand how this is possible. I can't understand how I live in a country and nobody not saying nothing. Everybody staying silent and taking it up their backside. Normal. The government can't fix the road, but they're building pool. Everybody in Trinidad can't get water, but everywhere have pool. You're spending millions of dollars on building pool. Nah, man, something wrong with we as a society, man. Trinidad, all they wake up now, man. All they wake up and see what's going on. They're digging out all their eye and they're spitting inside the socket. And all they're saying, do it again. Rub it down and do it exactly, Derek. I fed up too. But it's just frustrating. I can't understand it. It's just confusing me. How people with sense, we are doctors, lawyers, judges. You know why it is people from the US and the UK and different parts of Europe that feel we stupid? When they see the piss poor thing not passing for governance in this country, when they see that they're drizzling some warm piss on we and calling it rain, and we taking that. And then people want to tell me, you're still vexed with the Prime Minister. I mean, vexed with the Prime Minister. I vex that you're taking my money and you're wasting it. You dig out The only profits in Petrotrin, and now you want to say that Petrotrin is not making a profit. I can't, watch me, I can sit down here and tell you how much money Petrotrin is making a day. And if they wanted Petrotrin to be economically viable and to provide for the economy, they would have, but they don't want it. Or let's see what happened in Jamaica. The Dutch take it back. So we waiting till we get colonized again, apparently. So we waiting for England or the States or whoever. Well, Trump ain't coming here. But we waiting for the powers that be to come back here and take back the country from me. Apparently that's what we're doing. Because nobody ain't rising up and doing nothing. They're doing nothing. You're driving through the same pothole every day and you're saying great is the PNM, great is the UNC. Serious? Nah, man. It had to have something beside this. All I realize they're going to start back building the highway. How a judge in a court could rule that they should be allowed to continue building that highway to nowhere when you have potholes all over the place, when you have depression all over the place, when we have landslip every Monday morning, when we have flooding in the country, left, right, and center? How come nobody are disturbed about that? That is my question. That is my question. That is all I had to say tonight, ladies and gentlemen. All you wake up now, rise up in all your communities, rise up in all your houses, rise up in all your households, in all your workplace. It's better you be independent than you sit down and take this shit from the Janji and them in government, you know. I don't understand. I really don't understand. How nobody don't want to know what's going on with Maxi Coffee? I don't get it. I really don't get it. Something wrong with me. Or something wrong with everybody else. It's just not making sense to me. It's not making sense, people. It's not making sense. Hear what I say now. Spread the word now, people. Only let them know what time it is now. Let somebody tell somebody and somebody go wake up. Yeah, it's disturbing. It's real disturbing. It's disgusting to think about it. It just keep me up at night. I try to figure out where we're going to end up. When it's going to stop. When, how, why. Come now, man. Let's do something now. Say something. If you can't do something, say something. Derek, keep up the good work. Raphael, keep up the good work. Nicholas, I admire your posts. I love them. Well, let's spread the word now. Good night, Elizabeth. Thanks for being here. I ain't trying to make a long life tonight, but it's just something that was on my mind now, boy. You understand? It was on my mind, it bothered me. And I said, let me express myself. People, spread the word. Share it. Share the word. Tell your neighbor, tell your friend, tell the fella around the bend. I have a piece of poetry for you, but I ain't ready to bust it yet. I feel like I add Maxi Coffee. I don't make a verse for Maxi Coffee, right? So let's look out for me. And if all like it, share it. If all don't like it, don't go near it, right? Take it easy, ladies and gentlemen. Do what you can today for a better tomorrow. Please, I beg you all. Have a good night.